to my channel, Tanika's Gravity. So today we're at a restaurant to eat food. So this restaurant's name is Bu Qtair Restaurant. So we're just here to eat fish, and I'm really hungry. I'm starving right now. So probably I just want to eat some food, have some tasty, yummy fish. So right now I'm sitting in an open plain view, and from this side, view is awesome. So you can actually just see some boats, and here's the restaurant. So there are some seating sections inside and out. So we're sitting outside. So let me just show you guys the view because it's really awesome with the water and all. So. After I had a really hearty meal of fish and rice, now we're at this side, which I just showed you in my video, a boat area where a lot of boats are there. So we're just enjoying the view, and we'll be getting some ice cream, which is I'm so excited. So the restaurant was Bu Qtair. The name was Bu Qtair Restaurant. It was a really nice restaurant. So if you guys are in Dubai, please don't forget to visit this place because the food was really awesome, and I know that you guys will also enjoy the food over here. And now it even has an amazing view where you can sit outside the restaurant and you can see this view while you're eating. And right now it's really sunny and really hot, so hot and cold mixed. So it was a really nice thing to sit there. See you later when I'm eating ice cream. So I'm just looking Alright guys, so I got like a double chocolate cone ice cream, and it's so yummy. And my mom got a chocolate pista, like that ice cream. I don't know what you call that, chocolate pista, whatever. But mine is a double chocolate. Cheers. So guys, the parking here is always full, so make sure you always come really early to get a parking here so that you can enjoy the yummy food and the yummy view of this photo Bu Qtair Restaurant. And they even have ice cream.